Hello and welcome back to part 11 of the 100 watt linear amplifier for 630 meters. In this one I replaced the FET. It was definitely damaged. It was shorted between these two pins, which basically shorts the power directly to ground, and so it was damaged. So I took my desoldering tool and unsoldered some of the components connected to it, and then physically removed it. And then this is the next replacement, IRFP250, and cut the legs a little bit shorter this time. It definitely takes a very hot soldering iron. I ended up using my big 60 watt iron to solder these pins to the copper and just verify that there is no connection between these pins. They're actually isolated. And then added the thermistor back on here, connected to the case. This time I tried a regular super glue. Hopefully that will hold up. If not, I'll have to buy some JB Weld gray epoxy. And then I added the 24 volt wire, and then the resistor and capacitor across these two pins right here. And this is a little bit closer view, so you can see that doesn't connect to that pin. It connects to the center pin, resistor, capacitor. This is the thermistor, and this is the 2K resistor. So this is the replacement. Next thing I'll have to do is turn the bias down, replace the fuse, and then check and set the bias and verify everything else voltage-wise checks out.